Grandpa will be flipping here. Well, lots happened. What a beautiful day in Texas it is. I'll tell you what, I'm blessed to live in Texas. It's almost 80 degrees with a full sun out in February. Where else are you gonna live like that? I don't know. It's beautiful. But then you never know about Texas. A week from now, we could be bundling up and iced over. And I'm not speaking that, but I hope we have beautiful weather till springtime. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for all your likes and subscribe. Why is Grandpa wearing these bright green gloves? Well, that's my wedding ring, okay. Well, I'm not a doctor, and we're not going to do any kind of examinations today, but we're going to examine some knives. And got my opener here, Hydro, Squid Industries, Production 8. I would have had Production 1 if I was 20 years old and can run like I used to when I was 20 years old, but hey, I made it there in 8th in line. I wanted 007, you know, so I could say, hey, flipping, Grandpa be flipping. Oh, I digress. Anyway, Grandma's been on the internet. Okay. Grandma's been on the internet, and she has found a lot of Balisongs. So she bought it. And here we are. I know one in here that I was interested in when I saw this lot. I can't remember too much of what's in here, so I just know the one that's in here that struck my eye. And the rest of the Balisongs, well, let's get into it. That's the fastest unboxing in the world, right? Put this over here for business. Got a bunch of peanuts. I'll try to pull this out without spilling the peanuts all over the place. I hate picking that stuff up. Okay. Well, I don't think there's any spiffs in here. What have you gone and done, Grandma? Here they are, one at a time. Thank you for your participation. The old moon salt. It is a live blade, serrated edge. These are always sloppy. It's got a latch. Paint's coming off. It don't look like it's ever been sharpened. The paint's coming off on the blade. Okay. What do we got here? The reason why I'm wearing these green gloves is because I didn't know what was in here. And they're dirty and they're nasty, and who knows whose pocket they've been in and who knows where they've been. So I'm wearing the gloves to keep sanitized and keep clean. But when we sell these knives at J&A Blades, they go through a process. They go through a cleaning process, and if they needed to be run through an ultrasonic cleaner, we clean them up, we polish them, we tune them. We sharpen. Well, if a blade can be sharpened, I will. If a blade needs tipped, sharpened, I'll take care of it. I try to tune it as best as I can and oil it really good. Make sure it is a very good swinging knife, and then we sell them after we package them. Now this is a pretty decent looking little thing. I don't know. They're cheap. The handles are made out of wood. Of course, you know, when you get these cheap knives, you're going to have a little sloppy, but this is a good little knife if you want to take it to work and open boxes with it. And you know, it's not a great it's not a flipper I would recommend buying to learn how to flip, but it is a Balisong, and we will probably be selling it. Cool. I have a few of these. This is almost pristine. which I will be keeping and giving you my other one, Grandma. I can do that because I'm the CEO of our company. But I couldn't do nothing without my chief financial officer over here and producer. Now this is a piece of junk. Well, it's not. I'm not gonna name no names of who makes this, but it's broken. You could take these out. The hardware's still there. You could take that out and replace it. Maybe with scales over here with some cut out you some G10. Cut you out a piece of wood. You can rescale this. That's the good part about it. It's it's not. I take that comment back. It's not a piece of junk. It's just not a knife I value. I hate to just jump out there and call people's stuff junk, but it looks like it's a bear. Is that bear cutlery?
I don't know. Oh, hold on. Hold it back up. Balisong.
Balisong. I have some good Balisong knives. This is decent. I mean, it's the play's sloppy, but it can be tuned. I can tune it. I can make it nice. I can oil it. I can fix these scales. So we'll put this into business, baby. What is this? Scary. I don't recommend that. I think this is a CCC, gentlemen. A lot of cleanup. Wow. Well, what do we have here? Is this a real Filipino knife? Is it serrated? Wow, it's dull. It's dull. Has a broken handle. I'm just not interested. We're going to sell this one. Made? No, it's not made in America. It's flying our colors, but it's not made in America. You see so many of these in the internet. 440C. Tolerances. These sanitized and tuned. We'll be selling this one. Grandma, you been wanting a Bradley for your collection? Say now, speak forever, hold your peace, or it's going in inventory. This is a Bradley that needs to be sharpened. Now, I have a brand new Bradley in my collection. It's a carbon fiber Bradley, brand new. It's dangerously sharp. Bradley. They're not a good flipper, but great EDC tool. This looks like it's got the G10 scales. Great steel. Back in the day, flippers bought this and Benchmades and stuff, and then the Alphabets come along, and then all the others come along. But this was considered a mid flipper. I mean, mid, you know, kind of a mid knife. They're good. Quality's good. They usually run about $100 new.
That'll clean up nice.
It'll clean up nice. I'll let you make the decision what you're going to do with this. Let's slide them over here because I got more than I thought I was going to. That there was in here. This might be just a little longer video than normal. I'll try to make it as fast as possible. Another one. Pretty sloppy. Channel Construction. CCC. They call these thug knives. This one's going in my collection, baby. I got another one like it. It's a rated edge. This knife, I did run research on it before. Need closer? It's made in Japan, only sold in Germany. Somehow, some way it got over here. Lots of slop, but it's good old 80s vintage Bali, and I'm keeping it for my collection. Because I have vintage Balisong collection. I have a vintage Balisong collection, a trainer collection, and a grail collection. Now, if this knife's interesting, got good thigh gap. It's cheap Chinese. I don't think I've ever seen one with this texture or these holes. Tang pin construction. It'll polish up nicely. It's got a latch. Tolerances aren't too bad. Yeah, decent. This is not the, no. This is a scorpion knife. Turns into some kind of scorpion when you open it. Sting. It stings, Grandma. See it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. It's got a fuller down the thing. We'll run it through the sanitizer. We'll clean it up. It's a good, cheap Chinese knife. It's not. The tolerance is pretty good. It's in pretty good shape. I can clean it, oil it, and make it nice again. Shine it up. It'll look good.
One side's a scorpion when it's open, one side's a scorpion when it's closed.
Oh, cool. This is weird. This is interesting. What is this? Ah. We have some kind of tactical Balisong here with a pocket clip. With holes down the blade. Yep, it's so when it's super glued, this is going to need some work if I want to try to sell it. If not, this is going to be one of those knives I beat to death, throwing it at walls and trees. Yeah, that tang pin has been super glued or something, some kind of, yeah, that's some kind of Gorilla Glue holding that in. We'll see how it survives the ultrasonic cleaner. We'll be doing a video on that, how we process our knives at J&A Blades, how we process, how we take them in. We're gonna do a whole video on how we take in the knives, we run it through the sonic cleaner, ultrasonic cleaner, wash them, then we go through polishing, we put the smell pretties on it, and we tune it, we clean it, I go through it, polish it all up, and tune it, oil it. And then we sanitize it, completely sanitize, and then we put it in a pickle sack, and, what? Well, Grandma, you won. I won't tell you what we paid for this lot of knives, but we paid for half of what this is worth. All these knives are going to be free. That's business. That's the capitalism way. This is a Squid Industries first production run. Hydro. This is a Squid Industries first production run. Hydro. This is the original condition of the first production run. This is number 008. Now, Grandpa would have had 001 if he was 20, because I got the early bird pass when Lucas dropped this at Texas Blade Show. Well, Grandpa ran as fast as he could over there, and I was the 8th in line. I wanted 007, but I got 008. I would have had 001 if I was 20 years old. Trust me, I could run really good back then. I was an athlete. So, but I'm happy to have this. Nice, Grandma. Good score here. This is first production run out of 400. And I think I'll let you read them. It's dirty. You can read the number for the camera.
400. Oh, number 386.
386 out of 400. There was first production run. There was 400 of these made. Now, he kept the Ultim spacers, which came with the knife, just like I did. But whoever had this knife took it and had it anodized, and that's a purple, right? Am I correct? The person took the handles and had them anodized purple. Okay. And tolerance is still good. It needs to be cleaned up and tuned. Awesome. Awesome. This tolerances. Squid Industries Hydro first production run. Very great knife, and by getting this for half price is a winner chicken dinner for J&A Blades. Trust me, I'm happy. So here we got another Bear & Sons Bowie. We're good? Tolerances, pretty good. This is pretty stout, you know. Eventually, if you flip it a lot, it's going to loosen up. But this can be cleaned up nicely, and it'll be a good EDC knife. Bravo. Good. We got a few more to go, folks. Hey, what do we have here? We have a cheap Chinese knife, chromed out, with speed channels and a channel construction. Speed channels. Channel construction. Chromed out with a latch. What does that say? 440 stainless. For a new rope. Oh. Brand new, almost. Another. This is brand new almost. It is a cheap Chinese 440 stainless Balisong, kind of after a Benchmade clone look. Here we go. With the latch. In great shape and it is sharp. Here. Now, this is a sandwich construction. Some kind of Balisong here. Pretty decent shape. I don't know who they're trying to mimic here, but this is pretty decent. I mean, It's got wood handles. I don't know if it's rosewood. It's kind of like, looks like the Buck 110 colors, but it's cheap Chinese. It's got a fuller in the blade. Here we go. Not bad. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's cheap. Yeah, it's cheap Chinese, but it's stout. Yeah, I mean, it's stout. This is a version of this one, but this is the blacked out version.
Yikes.
Yeah, this one needs some love. Or we just might just
Bargain bin.
no. You know, Grandpa, what he does to knives, baby. It's stout. It's a good tight knife. I can make this look like a rock star in about an hour.
Frankenstein.
No, I'm not going to take it apart and change nothing. I'm just going to clean it up on the wheel and it'll look good. Do not waste your money on these. Cheap Chinese junk. That's all you get. Down to my last two heroes here. Another cheap Chinese junk. I don't know if that's worth its sanitizer. And oh, again, someone's attempt on a crisp blade. That's squeaked. All right. Ta-da! Ta-da! What you think, Grandma?
I think you're going to spend a lot of time cleaning, but it'll be worth it.
No. I could have this in one day. Well, let's look at this for a second here. How many we got? 24?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see what Grandpa wants to do. Grandpa's kidnapping this one. And Grandpa's kidnapping this one. Grandpa's going to trade you one to put in the business for this one. And Grandpa is, yes, I'm going to trade you my other one for this one. It's just like it. It's just got the black, and I just want a plain, clean. I flipped this so I've almost beat that other one to death. It's still good. It still flips great, but this is virgin, and it's all clean and pristine, and that's what I wanted. So you'll get the other one. Promise. I recommend you either flip that and put it in your collection. They're going to disconnect these one day, and they'll be hard to get. This one is intriguing for CCC. We'll leave that alone for now. J&A blades. These will all be cleaned up and refurbished, sanitized, new as it can be, as I can get them. I can take a knife sometimes and make it better when it was new. I've been known to do that if I put enough time in it. I'm not a modder, but I've been fooling with knives for 30-something years, and I've been fooling with motorcycles for 30-something years, and I can clean, trust me, I can clean a bike, I can clean a knife. So here we go. Here they are, baby. All right. Thank you for tuning in to another fun show. J&A Blades, Grandpa Be Flipping. This was we just did the Poquillo video, and we're like less than 3 weeks to Blade Show. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to be we're going to be doing some interviews there, and thank you for tuning in to our show. Thank you. Have a safe weekend. Drive safe. Keep flipping, and God bless.